Alright, time for the fun part. Honestly, I'm gonna put a new cap right there either way, so clean that up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna start with the 5. I'm gonna start with the 100 microfarads first, and then we'll go down the line from there. So let's go the tippity top. Tippity top. That one, that weird one that we didn't like. So that one's a 100 microfarad. And then the one a little bit below it, right there. And then the one to the right of it. Both of them on the right are actually microfarads. Microfarads are 100 microfarads. These capacitors are so much better. And they should last a lot longer, but since this is a retro console, I really don't know how much life somebody will give it, you know?